Apple is showing a very strong trend in a good way, a reasonable strong trend. That's what I like. We have three solid touches. We have a first touch here, second touch here, and a third touch here over a long trend. I'm a huge fan of long trends because that implies stability. Now, Apple did have this area up here, and if you watched my technical analysis over the last couple of weeks, I originally had trend lines following this area, and they were following the trend, but I did not believe it could sustain this rocket ship rise. It's just not sustainable. However, this is a much more reasonable trajectory, and it's definitely sustainable. And to me, it's no surprise that it has come back to this line of support. And now we have 3 or 4 days of hovering around this support area. So to me, this is a very good entry point. It's proved that the stock can get up to 145. So it's got all of this area as upside. We're talking another 16% before it even gets right at the most recent all-time high. That's a very good time to enter. I personally might wait a little bit only because the broad market is very iffy right now. We're just not really clear on what the indexes are doing just yet. Let's see what happens this week, but I am very tempted to actually invest starting tomorrow because I know there's quite a bit of upside, and it made a very solid, clear touch here. That's a big sign for me, and we've had 2 or 3 days of very strong volume, especially on Friday. We had positive volume and a good price movement, decent price movement, but the potential is there. Let's see what happens.